Này phi na poi hadu.
Because people without preparing, they go to hell.
Nama ki breu ki ba padep ya ka jipet krek ki poi hadu jok.
Only those people who have prepared themselves, who have aligned their life with Jesus, who have committed their life to Jesus, they surely know when they die they are going to heaven.
Kidai tang kita ki breu ki ba tikna ya ka jipet krek ki jongki kidai tang ma ki tikna ba anda ba ki la yap kin poi habdang.
If some of you who haven't given your life 100% to Jesus, this is the moment that you give your life to
Ya don na
Jesus.
pedeng jong pi pimpat ai sispa na ka sispa la ka jong ka jingem chau ji su kene de ka pot ban ai ti no la ka jong ka
You
jingem.
cannot stand in between,
Pim la ban yang habdang.
either to the left or to the right,
La pi dai sa ka diang na sa ka mon.
to the right or to the wrong,
La bai mi lai ha ka ba padai na ka bam dai.
to God or to the devil,
Au blai la ne satan.
to life or to death,
Ha ka jingem na ka jingyap.
to heaven or to hell.
Ha ka habdang la ne hadu jok.
We should make a decision.
Ngi don ka man shem ya ka ra.
Amen.
Amen.